Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another DIY. Today's video is about how to replace the trunk release switch on this E90 2008 BMW 328i. So let's do it. As you can see, this trunk release switch is melting, deteriorating and sticky. First, you have to remove 8 plastic fasteners, 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. You're supposed to remove this first before removing all the fasteners. To detach the cable from the handle, just push the tab and slide the cable out. Unhook the 4 tabs from the trunk. Unhook that cable wire. That's the part that I'm going to remove. I'm glad I have small hands. So just put your hands on top of that switch and press down while you're pushing it towards you, just to create a gap. Just pull the wire connector, nothing to press. I always order parts from FCP Euro. I like their lifetime replacement guarantee program. Go check them out. You have to align the bottom first, then press the top side until you hear clicks on both sides. Now it looks way better and no more dirty fingers. Make sure those 4 tabs are secured into the trunk. The 8 fasteners that you removed earlier, you have to pull them apart for reinstallation. Don't forget the little cable to feed through the hole. That's it, guys. If you like this DIY, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's more DIYs to come. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Later.